Welcome back to Best Gear. Today we are ranking the top 5 best AI smart locks and home security systems you can install right now. We are breaking down installation ease, smart home ecosystem support, and next-gen biometric security to help you lock down your home. Let's get right into it. Starting us off at number 5 is the Yale Assure Lock 2. If you want a lock that blends seamlessly into your door without looking like a massive piece of tech, this is your best bet. It is incredibly compact, but packed with features, including built-in Wi-Fi technology and remote access from wherever you are. You can share and schedule access with trusted guests, and it features an auto unlock function that opens the door as you approach. The Assure Lock 2 Plus version also supports one-tap access using an Apple Home key stored directly in your Apple Wallet. It is a sleek, reliable, and highly capable smart deadbolt for any modern entryway. Coming in at number 4 is a heavy-duty favorite, the Schlage Encode Plus. This lock is built for people who want robust physical security combined with top-tier Apple integration. It features built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to control and monitor your home from anywhere, with no additional hub needed. It provides simple, secure access when paired with the Schlage Home app, and it allows you to manage up to 100 access codes. Apple users will love the seamless Apple HomeKit and Apple Home Keys compatibility, letting you tap to lock or unlock using your iPhone or Apple Watch. It is one of the most durable, battle-tested smart deadbolts on the market. Taking our number 3 spot is the Aqara U400. This lock is pushing the boundaries of true hands-free entry using ultra-wideband, or UWB technology. The U400 is Aqara's first UWB smart lock, built for truly hands-free entry when paired with a compatible iPhone and Apple Home Hub. During UWB ranging, your phone sends short, encrypted, time-stamped signals that are shared only between your phone and the lock, making it extremely difficult for attackers to spoof. Alongside UWB, it supports Apple Home Key, fingerprint unlock, keypad pins, NFC cards, and traditional keys. With matter-over-thread support and deep smart home automation capabilities, it makes everyday access completely effortless. At number 2, we have the SwitchBot Lock Ultra Vision Pro. If you live in an apartment or rent your home and cannot completely remove your deadbolt, this retrofit lock is a total game changer. This system upgrades your existing deadbolt with intelligent access control while keeping your physical security intact and requiring no drilling. It features advanced facial recognition unlock for hands-free entry and a palm vein recognition system that is extremely hard to fake. The biometric data is processed locally rather than on the cloud, ensuring your privacy remains intact. It also boasts full Matter support for Apple Home, Alexa, and Google Assistant, making it an incredibly versatile upgrade. And finally, claiming the number 1 spot on Best Gear is a lock that completely eliminates the biggest problem with smart security: dead batteries. Meet the Lockin V7 Max. The V7 Max features the innovative Aura Charge Power System, which uses eye-safe optical output with a uniform beam profile to wirelessly transmit energy to the lock. Once installed, the V7 Max continuously receives power without ever needing to replace batteries or plug in a charging cable. It is built with an industry-leading triple biometric authentication system combining 3D facial recognition, finger vein recognition, and palm vein recognition. It also blurs the line between a smart lock and a smart doorbell by featuring 2 high-definition exterior cameras that provide a panoramic view of the entryway. It is the absolute pinnacle of smart home security in 2026. Whether you want the seamless Apple Home Key integration of the Schlage Encode Plus, or the battery-free AI-powered dominance of the Lockin V7 Max, upgrading your front door is the best investment you can make for your peace of mind. I've put direct links to all 5 of these smart locks in the description below so you can check their current prices. Let me know in the comments which biometric feature you would use the most. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next review.